Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to continue our opening of Scarlet and Violet, the 151 series. So let's do a quick recap on what we've got here. This is the binder collection. So far, we've got quite a few of the original ones. Just flip through it quickly so we can get pulling on some cards. A lot of them were missing the full art as expected. I got really excited with all the shinies. You know, just attracted to shiny things. All these missing numbers here. At least we got one gold card. 1 out of 3 for that. And then we've got our energies. And then our event, Snorlax. Alright, so let's open up a Snorlax box. I see you guys in the back there. Probably notice all those packs. We'll get through them. They're just pre-opened from the Elite Trainer boxes. So we're going to start off with just the unboxing for you guys to see. I just love this set. It's so cool. I love how they made everything so display ready. And the box is so neat. And we got our player's guide, showing off all the different cards, the new things in the expansion, fossil Pokemons. The great thing I like about this is the actual card list, because I looked on the TCG website and it's just listed out. I don't know, it's been a long time since I collected Pokemon cards, so just being able to see the whole set is just really nice and useful for me. Alright, let's pop this guy open. We got some gaming tokens here, and gaming dice. Oh no, I need help.
No, it's your first time.
You tore it!
You're supposed to. That's how you know if the trainer box is out labeled it.
Wow. Alright, well, we've got our packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we've got our nice little Snorlax card there.
Like, subscribe, comment, and follow if you'd like to win one.
I got a bunch of energies. And custom sleeves for the set. I just think that's really neat. It's got all of the 151. Well, not all of that. It's got a lot of them there. And we got code there. And I guess dividers. I guess that's what those are. Okay. Well, let's get started on opening some of these packs. Let's make some room first. Alright. Like, comment, and subscribe to get a Snorlax card that is part of the ETB set. Alright, let's start off with our first pack here.
Why don't you tell the people what you're missing?
I can't remember the whole set that I'm missing. I'm missing a lot of the cards. I'm missing a lot of the full art sets. Let's start with that. Uduo, Tentacool, Rattata, Squirtle, Omanyte, Tauros, Kadabra. We got Reverse Hollow Nidoqueen, Reverse Hollow Wartortle, and Blastoise EX. I think that is our first one for the set. Okay. You know, you could help me out with sleeving. Thank you. Then people don't have to painstakingly watch as I fail to sleeve them well.
Pass me the hollows and you do the... Does that make sense?
Pass me the hollows.
I do the reverse, and
Okay.
you do the main one, like the Blastoise EX.
Maybe we'll lay it out in front to see our haul, if we get a good haul from this box. Alright, let's re-angle the camera a bit so you guys can see down below. Hopefully, you can still see our cards. Our card haul. Code. So let's start off. We got our basic energy, Lickitung, Venonat, Pidgey, Metapod, Magneton, another Nidoqueen, Victory Bell, Reverse Hollow Charmander, Reverse Hollow Bellsprout, and just a Hollow Starmie. I think we got a Hollow Starmie already. This is number 2. Alrighty. Let's move on to pack number 3. Ooh, starting off with a Hollow Water Energy. Got our Lickitung, Pidgey, Metapod, Ponyta, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Machoke. Got a Reverse Hollow Golduck. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Dratini. I think we didn't have that. And, Hollow Kabutops. We haven't had that one yet, so that's a new one to the collection. We're waiting to get some full artwork. Let's see. Let's see. Nice code there. Alright, Start Energy, Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Big Air Balloon, Prime Ape. I don't remember if we got one. Our first Fearow. We got Reverse Hollow Coffin and Weezing and Nidoking again. I think this is our 3rd one. Lucky or unlucky, who knows?
Pass the reverse hollows further this way. Cut. By the way, cut. Take a break. And you're becoming more monotone.
Okay.
Like Ponyta, reading.
It does get kind of monotone just reading out Pokemon names, okay?
Just be excited.
Then that is very fake excited.
So when I said cut, why do you keep going? I'm gonna have to cut this whole pack out.
Doesn't matter.
It
Doesn't matter. I could leave it in. You want real reaction? That's what you're gonna get. Basic Energy, Abra, Diglett, Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Kingler, Energy Sticker, Rhydon, Reverse Hollow Clefairy, Reverse Hollow Seal, and Kangaskhan EX. We've gotten this one already. Starting to get dupes. Alright, number 6. Let's see. Don't know if everyone's been seeing all of the codes. I don't know if I've been putting it close enough when I flip it. Alright, we've got Energy, another Bulbasaur, Dratini, Growlithe, Geodude, Darktrio, Hunter. This is like very retro art. It's pretty neat. Or, did I say Hunter? I think I said Hunter. Hitmonlee, Butterfree. It's our first Reverse Hollow Butterfree. And our first Hollow Rapidash. And Hollow Moltres. I mean, I'm getting excited. Maybe it's not something to be overly excited about. But, you know what? Old packs didn't give you a guaranteed hollow. This one's just really nice. This new pack's giving hollow all the time. But then, of course, yeah, it's not as rare anymore. But at least the deck will look cool. That's all that matters. Or at least the collection. I don't know how much I'll be playing the game. We'll see. Huh. card is a little scuffed. Interesting. And we start off with Hollow Energy. And we got Dratini, Growlithe, Geodude, Jigglypuff. I think that's our, maybe it's not the first Jigglypuff. Rigid Band, Graveler. I think this is our first Hollow, Reverse Hollow Goldeen. We got Voltorb and Hollow Gyarados. All right, 8. Come on. We're just hoping for some full art cards. That would be nice. All right. Fire Energy, another Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Spearow, Hypno, Wartortle, Poliwrath. You got Reverse Hollow Parasect and Reverse Hollow Sandslash and Dodrio. Oh man, this is a not super lucky box. Got quite a few dupes. Baby's awake.
I guess we'll take a pass.
Yeah. Last pack. Pack number 9. Let's see. Will we get lucky? Hang on, bud. Last pack to go.
How much do you need to buy one?
That's how we know the baby's awake. Oh, protective goggles. We don't have that yet. Tentacruel. Got regular Snorlax. Reverse Hollow Staryu. Clefable and Flareon. As I drop the card. Got Hollow Flareon. Well, this is our pull from the box. Not very lucky, but it'll have to do for now. We'll have to see what other ones we can get. We've got a lot more to open. Look at that. My husband was very generous and pulled out all the boxes, or the packs from the boxes, as I am very fingerly disabled. Not so great at opening them. But, alright. Let's do some more openings. Alright, gonna do a little check off here. Might as well figure out what we need, what we don't need. Last we got Starmie. Let's see, what's one? I know I'm a real Pokemon fan. Don't know the number order by heart. Used to know it. Don't anymore, that's for sure. It's been way too long. Starmie, we're already done. Heavy Talk is a new one. 141. We got our Hollow. Nidoking is not for sure. Kangaskhan. Furry for he is Nandos. 115. Yeah. Moltres. We got a reverse Hollow. So Moltres is done now. And we got Gyarados. Alrighty. We need a reverse Hollow Gyarados. Technically not. Dodrio, no done, and Flareon. And we need a reverse Hollow, so okay. That's where we're at so far. Let's clear this up. We're gonna open our next group of 9s. Let's see if this group is gonna be luckier than that first box. Definitely was not super great. Just really need full illustration sets, because that's the hardest things to get, right? Alright. Lots of Ponytas. Farfetch'd, Hitmonchan, Seaking, Butterfree. I got Reverse Hollow Rigid Band, but I think we actually have one. Reverse Cubone, I believe we have. And we got a Zapdos EX. Wait, good start. Good start. We have a good start. Alrighty. Alright, let's go for pack number 2. one thing I didn't notice when we were opening the Ultra Premium pack was that Mew there is actually like a hard template, like a plaque. It's not actually a card. I thought it was kind of neat. Thought it was actually one of just the cards that you get in the set, but it's not. Nice thing to display. Alright, basic energy, Machop. Got Porygon, Electabuzz, Rhyhorn, Leftovers, Persian, Armuck, Reverse Hollow Dome Fossil, Victory Bell, and a Mew EX. I think that's our first one. It's not the golden one, so we're getting the EX ones. We're getting the more rare things. So, pretty good start so far. Pretty good start so far. I'm not complaining. Definitely a lot better than our pack first box. Alright, number 3. If I can get it open. There we go. Okay, let's start off with our usual code. And Nid, Hollow Energy. It's always a nice start to see. No, it's not super rare, but shiny things make people happy. And Lapras, I think that's our first Lapras. Cycling Road, that's our first. And our first Scyther got Reverse Hollow Pidgey, got Dratini, and another Hollow Gyarados. Gyarados is still cool. I'm not complaining, I guess. Just already have him. Like new things. New things would be nice. Okay. Number 4. Unlucky number 4 as per Asian culture. We'll see. Can we get lucky with the unlucky? Okay. So we got our basic energy. Tangela. I think that's our first Tangela. And Coffin. Psyduck. Maybe that's our first Psyduck. Ekans. Daisy's Help. That's our first one. Our first Venomoth. And possibly first Rapidash. I'd have to check our list. Got our Reverse Hollow Caterpie, Seadra, and another Moltres. Okay, number 5. You know what? Unlucky number 4 wasn't horribly unlucky. Just wasn't the luckiest. I got energy. Horsey, Abra, Diglett, Drowsy, Charmeleon, Parasect, Cloyster. Oh, that's one card. That's a Reverse Hollow Mewtwo. And a Reverse Hollow Ghastly. That's our first one of that one. And Hollow Aerodactyl. I'm opening these upside down. I think I'm opening those upside down. Alright, number 6. Show me some full illustrations, please. Alright, basic energy. Got our Cubone. Vulpix. I think we're still waiting for a Ninetales. Magnemite. Caterpie. Nidorina. I think that's our first, possibly. Raticate. Erica's Invitation. Got Reverse Hollow Ponyta. Reverse Hollow Ivysaur. And Raichu. I believe that is our first Raichu. Alright, come on. Need more EX. More full art, full illustrations would be very nice, please. Will we get something on lucky number 7? We started off pretty good. We're kind of tapering off. We are getting a little bit of new cards. Alrighty, so start off energy. Bulbasaur, Dratini, Growlithe, Geodude, Giovanni's Charisma, Rhydon, Rigid Band, got Reverse Hollow Haunter, got Jigglypuff, and a Ditto Hollow. Can't remember if we have that one. We'll check our book after. I think one of the ghost ones we don't have would be Gengar. Alright, number 8. As I struggle with this pack. There we go. There, starting off with our Hollow Energy. Our first Eevee, actually. And for Grimer, we have Weedle already. I think this is our first Zubat. Nidoqueen, Magneton, Victory Bell, Reverse Hollow Pinsir, which I believe we have already. Wartortle, and Amistar. Our first Amistar. We got some new things, I guess. Not complaining too much. We're adding to the collection. Alright. Last pack of this set. Let's see. Do we get to finish a little stronger? How we started strong? Oops. Alrighty. Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Spearow, Nidorino, Executor, Graveler, Primeape for our reverse, Paris, and Chansey, our first Chansey. Alright, well, that is box number 2 of the ETBs. Alright guys, let's do our third box. Let's see what we get. Can we get some more of our illustration? Alrighty. And start off our energy as per usual. Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Old Amber, Pidgeotto. I think that's our first one actually. And we got Seadra, Kabuto, Gloom, Fearow, Poliwrath, and Kabutops. Oh, well, I gotta expect that we aren't going to be getting too many or full illustrations. We can only hope, right? Hope and pray for the best. Pack 2. I feel like that's all I'm saying is like praying and hoping. I don't know. It's been a while since I've like done any of the Pokemon stuff or Pokemon related things. I think the probably most recent Pokemon thing, which was several years ago, was playing Pokemon Go. Like, oh god, it's probably been pre-2019 actually. That's a long time. I remember when I was first living in a small town for work, doing my nursing job, and Pogo was going big, and then the Mewtwo raids happened. That was a big deal. Oh, Giovanni's Charisma. I think we don't have this one. All right, let's see. What's our last one? Gyarados. You know what? I'm pretty sure we don't have this one. I'll have to double check our set. I'll leave this one over there. It is a full illustration, so maybe we got lucky in this pack. That individual pack. Alrighty. Don't hate me for how I handle the cards. I'm really sorry for those that are really keen on keeping as many PSA 10s as possible. Not so great at doing that, clearly. Alrighty. Alright, cards. Alright, Energy, Paris, Voltorb, Krabby, Sandshrew, Rapidash, Nidorina. I think we're still missing the Nidoran, female version of Nidoran. Raticate. Also, another Raticate. Psyduck, and Wigglytuff EX. That's another dupe. Can't complain too much about the EX. At least it'll give us some dupes for maybe possible trading in the future. We'll see. See if I can get lucky with these packs. If not lucky, try to buy more packs. A lot of places in Calgary have been sold out. And my husband was trying to see if we could get some friends from the States or family from the States to look at buying some boxes. And, geez, it is expensive down the States. Okay. Let's go. Energy, Magikarp, Oddish, Mankey, Meowth, Seaking, Butterfree, Lapras. Got Rhyhorn, Execute. I think that's our first reverse holo Execute, and another Moltres. Oh, I think this is probably our third Moltres. Still cool nonetheless. Husband stepped out. Gotta deal with some things. So I'm just opening some things on my own. Clearly not very well. And packaging or sleeving one of the cards. At least the last card of the pack, our main holo card. Alright. We got our holo energy. Seal, Doduo, Tentacool, Rattata, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Electabuzz. We got Nidorina, and another Raichu. All right, number 6. I wonder if like this 151 set brought back a lot of like the older generation people that when Pokemon first came out and got them all excited because they're finally seeing the original 151 again. Like, I mean, not to hate on all the new Pokemon, but especially the newest ones aren't the greatest. Oh, well, I guess I was talking about Pogo, but I have played X and Y, and then of course I played I think it was Scarlet? No, Violet. I played Violet. I enjoyed that. I haven't played the... Hey, there's a Gengar. First Gengar. And Aerodactyl again. We haven't played... Or I haven't played the DLC for the Scarlet? Yeah, Scarlet. I thought it was cool. It was nice getting a bike Pokemon that could bring us around places. I like that auto battle mechanic, and then the quick catching mechanic. It was just very convenient to travel around quickly and level up fast. It's a nice different touch to get out of the old school Pokemon, which it's hassle sometimes, but has its quirks, has its originality, the old school game platform. Primeape, Hypno for a reverse holo, Shelter, and Amistar again. We're getting all these dupes. I'm just wanting more full illustrations. That would be nice, please and thank you. I mean, gotta pray to the RNG gods. Okay, number 8. And we start with the Hollow Energy. Not bad as the start, but clearly packs aren't always guaranteed based on the Hollow Energy. Grimer, Parasite. Giovanni's Charisma is back. Cloister, Persian. I think that's our first Hollow Persian. Reverse Hollow. We got Nidoking again, and another Ditto. This pack hasn't been the greatest. I think nearly all of them are dupes that we've got. Okay. I think the main highlight from this set of 9 was that Giovanni's Charisma. I think that we don't have. I'll have to look in the book later. Binder this new cards. See where we are at with how many we've opened. So we've got 3 Elite Trainer boxes, a binder pack with the 4 packs in it, and the Ultra Premium with, I think, had 16. Alrighty. Energy. Magikarp, Oddish, Mankey, Meowth, Kabuto, Gloom. I think that's our first Gloom. Dugtrio, Golduck, Kadabra, and Jolteon. Ah, dang. Unlucky for this set of 9. Alright, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We got quite a few more packs to go through. So I hope you guys continue to watch with me, open the packs with me, and follow my journey on completing the 151 Pokemon set. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!